Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use OnePay Later at Walmart. Start by adding your items to your cart on walmart.com in the Walmart app or while shopping at a participating Walmart store. When you are ready to pay, continue to the checkout page. In the payment section, select OnePay Later as your payment method. If you are eligible, you will be able to continue with the application and review your available payment options. Next, review the payment plans shown on your screen. Depending on your purchase and eligibility, you may see up to 3 different payment plan options. Take a moment to read the terms, including the payment amounts and due dates. Choose the plan that best fits your budget, then confirm your selection and continue through checkout. Once everything looks correct, complete your purchase. After your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email with your payment schedule and other important details. Save this email so you can easily refer to your upcoming payments whenever needed. After your purchase, managing your payments is easy. Open the Klarna app or the OnePay app to track your remaining balance, view upcoming payment dates, make a payment, or pay off your balance early if that option is available. Checking the app regularly can help you stay organized and make sure your payments are made on time. Thanks for watching.